The UNFPA team, Ms. Pillay, the country representative, director of the Pacific and the country rep, staff of the UNFPA, staff of the Ministry of Health and Medical Services, Family Health, members of the media. Ravinaka, and a very good morning to you all. So very, very delighted to be present here this morning to receive this critical gift, the cervical cancer human papillomavirus testing kits. As rightly said, the test and the treat. These testing kits are used to collect samples, typically a cervical or vaginal swab, for testing to detect the presence of the virus. These kits are used to screen for cervical cancer and other HPV associated cancers. So these kits can save lives. And as we were discussing before we came down, this is an initiative I was looking forward to. I have been told about this initiative from a few years ago, but now that it's here, and we are grateful for the assistance of UNFPA, and very soon the ministry through the Family Health will roll this out to the Northern Division, I'm told. So we, on behalf of the ministry and the government of Fiji, we just want to say thank you very much. Women's health, the government prioritizes this very much, and that is why through the Ministry of Health and through the Ministry of Women, this initiative will be greatly supported moving forward, because it brings in a new way of screening, a much more comfortable, easy way for women, and at the same time test, and you can treat at the same time. So it will involve decentralization of some of the services within government, especially the Ministry of Health, to do with this, and the government is fully supportive, and we look forward to the rolling out of this initiative, and definitely we will definitely support some of the ideas that have been raised, and that women's health should be brought up to the forefront of leadership meetings. And so, with those few words, on behalf of government, thank you sincerely to UNFPA and to the donors, and also for being concerned about women's health. Cervical cancer has robbed families of their loved ones, especially moms, siblings. So with this initiative, can prevent that being happening. So once again,